What's up? Your average haunter. And today, what I have to show is my Rehauled Crackles the Clown. So yeah, you obviously can't see anything done on the outside, as you can see. We'll get to that in a second. But yeah, I really like this guy. I got him whenever he launched. I've loved him since December when he leaked. So like, it was a must-have for me. As you can see, I got his hair nice and sprayed so it looks like the stock photo, which actually looks really nice now. Yeah, I just wish this guy wasn't so faulty. Or it's not really faulty, they just didn't make it correctly. But I got mine fixed. I did it, obviously. But yeah, I guess, let's see what, yeah.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da!
Let me unplug it so that you guys can see it better. There you go. Alright, so yeah, here's what I did to Crackles the Clown. As you can see, it is very different inside of his head. So, I painted the whole thing with permablood, obviously. And then I took little strings of yarn, red yarn, and I cut it up and like glued it to the face and then to the mask, or I guess in this case his face. And then I put liquid latex on it, so I guess these like weird little crumbly bits, and it just looks really good. Like, look at that. And yeah, he just looks amazing now. I really like him. This is what he should have been from the factory. I say that every time, but it really is. And yeah, besides that, I didn't change much of anything. I mean, the whole body is all the same and everything. It's just the face. So, go ahead and get back to demoing him. I'll play through all of his phrases. His face gets a little more cracked open than it should sometimes. This just has to overlap. There you go.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah! I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show. I saved the grand finale just for you. Now try not to scream too much!
Yeah, I don't know why the face is acting stupid. It's supposed to overlap like that.
Something's missing, but the show must go on! I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims!
But, yeah. Bye, guys.